What's up, math peeps? This is Mr. Pask coming at you from YouTube. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. That's like the new version of bring the teacher an apple. You know, your grade starts to dip, you want to butter me up, hit like and subscribe. But anyways, what I'm going to show you today is how to find the x and y intercepts algebraically of an equation. So this particular equation we have slope-intercept form, but you can do it for any form following the same steps. We'll do the x-intercept first. So for either intercept, what you want to do is substitute 0 in for the other variable. And that's because that variable is 0 where the line would cross the other axis. So we're going to plug in 0 for the x-intercept. You always do the other variable. So we're going to plug 0 in for y. So we'll have 0 equals 2x minus 17. Now that we have a two-step equation, we're going to solve that for x. Probably going to need a little more room. So the first step in this equation would be to get the constants to one side. So we have 0 on the left, but we have minus 17 on the right. Those are both constants, but we want to isolate the x's. So what we would do is add 17 to both sides, and then 0 plus 17 would be 17, and then we bring the 2x down. And then last step, we want to divide by the coefficient 2, and we'll get x equals 17 over 2. Always leave it as an improper fraction. It's just nicer that way, really. But there's one more step. Don't forget to write the answer as an ordered pair. So because we plugged 0 in for y, guess what y is going to be? But the x value is 17 over 2. Alright, so that's the x-intercept. Now we want to find the y-intercept. So you're always plugging in 0 for the other variable. So now we're going to plug 0 in for x. So we're going to do y equals 2 parentheses 0 minus 17. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Alright, so first step we want to multiply the 2 and the 0. And 0 times anything is 0, so that would be 0 minus 17. And then 0 minus 17 would be negative 17. So that's what our y value at the y-intercept is. Now some of you may have looked at the original equation because it's slope-intercept form and said, hey, the b is negative 17, so that's the y-intercept. That's totally fine, but if the equation is not in slope-intercept form, you're not going to see it, so I wanted to show you that. And if you forget, you can always solve it algebraically by plugging the 0 in there. So now our y-intercept is going to be 0, comma, negative 17. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.